Back on the 8Valves, the Fury project. I don't judge. I haven't TIG welded aluminum in a hot fucking minute. But I'm sure by the time I finish this, it'll clean up. But if you can't see by my little outline, I'm building an intake manifold for a blow-through carburetor setup. There's part of the blow-through. I haven't completely put it together yet. Traced out the bottom of it. But trying to get back in the swing of it. Like I say, don't judge. I ain't done it in a while. But just want to give y'all a little update on what's going on. Hopefully I'll have this thing done. I done pre-cut all the pieces here. This will be the sides. And then I'll set these down at like an angle. Like this. That bitch is hot. I'll sit like an angle to go into the runners. But hope y'all having a good Sunday. Don't judge too much.